Have you heard of the concept of visualization to aid you in manifesting your goals? Has that worked for you? I'm going to share with you a tip today that you can add to your visualization practice that's going to make it even more powerful and even more helpful for your manifestations. So stay tuned. Hi, I'm Melissa and I'm the founder of the Spirit Guided Life School. I'm a spiritual and intuitive coach here to guide you to developing all your spiritual abilities and aligning with your unique life purpose. If you're new here, welcome. Please hit that subscribe button so you can stay tuned in to these weekly videos every Wednesday. Want to add power to your manifesting? Have you tried visualization but not really effective with it or able to stick with it? Here is something that you can add to your visualization practice that's going to make it even more powerful. And what is that? It's the power of imagination. So there's a difference between imagination and visualization. Visualization is the practice of seeing something in the movie screen of your mind. I used to do this when I was younger and I was a very competitive gymnast, and I would imagine myself doing the perfect beam routine. My dad actually taught me this technique when I was a kid because he would visualize the perfect golf swing. He was a golfer. But when you add imagination to this practice, it's a powerful tool for manifestation. And what is imagination? So if you want to bring something new into your life, particularly if it's not something that you've experienced before, you can start to imagine all the possibilities. You can imagine that you are holding the paintbrush and you can create it to look any way that you desire. Imagination is not getting stuck on a fixed picture of anything or deciding what it has to look like. It's just really flowing with all the possibilities and the different scenarios that could be possible. Would I like this? Could it look like this? Would the experience be like that? And you just really allow your imagination to flow. Many of us, including me, were told when we were little, that's not real, that's just your imagination, you're making it up. And we learned that imagination is bad, imagination is wrong, and imagination is not real. I'm here to tell you that imagination is none of those things. Imagination is powerful. Imagination is your psychic ability. It's the ability to create and manifest. So try this. Before you start visualizing the goal that you want to manifest, start with imagination. Start with seeing all the possibilities and just allowing your imagination to go wild. You don't have to fix on anything right away. You just allow it to flow and come in. So try this with me now. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths and really relax. Start to imagine that you are writing the script of your life. Imagine what this scenario might look like. Do this with full power to erase, start again, shift and change on a dime, with full power to create the different possibilities with no attachment to anything. What did your imagination bring forth? I would love to hear in the comments below. See what results you get by adding imagination to your visualizing and manifesting practice. Adding the imagination will get you comfortable with the fact that you are a creator, you're a co-creator with the universe, and that your psychic ability is powerful. It is imagination, and stop you blocking the power of your imagination and your psychic ability. I highly recommend that you watch this video next. It's called Why You Can't Manifest, and it's going to reveal to you the key block that could be getting in your way of your manifesting power. So I'll see you on over there.